Assalamu alaikum prep class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So prep class, how's going your weekend? Prep class, do you know it? What is our topic today? क्या आपको पता है आज हमारा क्या टॉपिक है? Our today's topic is also very interesting just like previous one. हमारा आज का टॉपिक भी उतना ही मज़े का है जितना कि हमारा प्रीवियस टॉपिक था. So prep class, what will you do? आपने क्या करना है? Okay, I will tell you. आपने ये करना है, you will need to listen for the sounds and then choose the correct way to write each word. आपने क्या करना है, आपने ध्यान से इन साउंड्स को पढ़ना है और फिर इन्हें सुनना है और फिर हर वर्ड में यूज़ करना है और बताना है कि कौन से वर्ड में कौन सा साउंड यूज़ हुआ है. So prep class, look at this sound. The first letter is E. The first letter is E. And the sound of E is A. And the second letter is R. And the sound of R is R. अगर हम इन दोनों को ब्लेंड करें तो क्या आवाज़ आएगी? R. The second sound is I. And the what is the sound of I? A. And the next letter is R. What is the sound of R? R. The sound of R is R. If we blend them, क्या साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगी? The next sound is U. The next letter is U, and the sound of U is A. And the next letter is R, and the sound of R is R. If we blend them, then sound R. क्या साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगी? R. प्रेप क्लास, आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस की कि इन तीनों लेटर्स की साउंड कितनी मिलती जुलती है आपस में. आज हमने इनकी मदद से वर्ड सर्च करना है, ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. प्रेप क्लास, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? ये किसकी पिक्चर है? Very good. This is a girl. And what is the spelling of girl? The spelling of girl is G-R-L. How many sounds in this word? There are 3 sounds in this word. The first one is G. The first letter is G. And the sound of G is G. The second one is R. The second one is R. And the third one is L. And the sound of L is L. There are 3 sounds in this word. G, R, L. G, R, L. Girl. Yes, prep class. Tell me, which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? Yes, this is a mixture. This is a mixer. ये क्या है? Mixer. Do you know the spelling of mixer? क्या आपको mixer के spelling आते हैं? Yes, prep class. M-I-X-E-R. Mixture. Mixer. Okay, prep class, tell me, हाउ मैनी लेटर्स यूज इन दिस वर्ड? इस वर्ड में कितने लेटर्स यूज हुए हैं? देयर आर 5 लेटर्स यूज इन दिस वर्ड. And how many sounds used in this word? There are 4 sounds used in this word. So this is letter M, and the sound of letter M is This is letter I, and the sound of letter I is A. This is letter X, and the sound of letter X is kiss. And this is mix, 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 mixer, mixer, mixer. So prep class, which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? Look at these curly hairs. So ये किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? कर्ली की. कैन यू स्पेल इट विद मी? क्या आप मेरे साथ मिलकर इसकी स्पेलिंग करेंगे? ओके, लेट्स डू इट. सो प्रेप क्लास, हाउ मेनी लेटर्स इन दिस वर्ड? इस वर्ड में कितने लेटर्स यूज हुए हैं? देयर आर 5 लेटर्स इन दिस वर्ड. इस वर्ड में 5 लेटर्स यूज हुए हैं. एंड हाउ मेनी साउंड्स? इसमें कितनी साउंड्स यूज हुई हैं? There are 4 sounds used in this word. The first letter is C. The first letter is C, and the sound of C is K. This is letter L, and the sound of letter L is L. This is letter Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. लेकिन हम यहाँ पे L और Y को मिला के पढ़ेंगे तो साउंड आएगा ली. तो ख ली, ख ली, curly, curly. The word will be curly. The word will be curly. Prep class, tell me which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? Very good. This is purse. ये पर्स है. So let's spell it. So how many letters used in this word? There are 5 letters used in this word. इस word में भी 5 letters use हुए हैं. P. The sound of P is P. S. The sound of S is S. E. The sound of E is I. तो इस वर्ड में ई का साउंड साइलेंट होगा. इस वर्ड में ई का साउंड साइलेंट रहेगा. सो देयर आर 5 लेटर्स इन दिस वर्ड एंड 4 साउंड्स इन दिस वर्ड. द फर्स्ट वन इज पी, एंड द साउंड ऑफ पी इज प. द सेकेंड वन इज एंड द थर्ड वन इज स, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज ई. Purse, 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 purse. So prep class, which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? Very good. This is a bird. This is a bird. So this word have 4 letters: B, I, R, D. And the sound is B. There are 3 sounds in this word. The first one is B. The first letter is B, and the sound of B is B. The third sound is D. The letter is D, and the sound of D is D. Bird, 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 bird. The word will be bird. So Preplas, tell me, which picture is this? ये किस चीज की पिक्चर है? Very good. This is a diver. ये क्या है? Diver. So how many letters in this word? There are 5 letters in this word. इस word में 5 letters use हुए हैं. The first letter is D and the sound of D is D. The second letter is I and the sound of letter I is E. The third letter is V and the sound of letter V is V. And the third one is the fourth letter is E and the sound of letter E is A. And the fifth letter is R and the sound of letter R is R. How many sounds in this word? इस word में कितने sounds हैं? So prep class, this word have 4 sounds. The first one is D and the sound of D is D. I, E, V, V यानी कि dive, ver, ER, dive, 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 diver, diver, diver. So prep class, tell me which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की picture है? Very good, winter. And the spelling is? The spelling of winter is W-I-N-T-E-R. The sound of W is V, I-A-N-T-T-E-A-R. And how many sounds in this word? There are 5 sounds in this word. The first letter is W and the sound of W is V. The second letter is I and the sound of letter I is A. The third letter is N and the sound of letter N is The fourth letter is T and the sound of letter T is T. The fifth and sixth letter is and the sound of these letters is Winter, 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 winter. So prep class, tell me which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की picture है? Very good. This is a skirt. ये किस चीज़ की picture है? Skirt की. So prep class, tell me how many letters in this word? इस word में कितने letters हैं? There are 5 letters in this word. There are 5 letters in this word. And how many sounds? कितनी sounds हैं इस letter में, इस word में? There are 4 sounds in this word. कितनी sounds हैं? 4 sounds. The first letter is S and the sound of S is S. The second letter is K and the sound of letter K is, क्या sound है letter K की? K. Sk, T. This is letter T and the sound of letter T is T. Skirt, 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 skirt. The word will be skirt, skirt. So prep class, which picture is this? ये किस चीज़ की picture है? Very good. Nurse, nurse. So prep class, how many letters in this word? There are 5 letters in this word. The first one is N. The sound of N is The second one is U and the sound of U is The third one is R. The sound of R is The fourth one is S and the sound of S is S. The fifth one is E and the sound of E is A. जिस तरह हमने पढ़ा था ना पर्स, उसमें ई का साउंड क्या था? साइलेंट था. तो इसी तरह नर्स में भी ई का साउंड साइलेंट होता है. सो प्रेप क्लास, हाउ मेनी साउंड इन दिस वर्ड? देयर आर 4 साउंड्स इन दिस वर्ड. Nurse, nurse, nurse. So prep class, let's repeat this topic. The sound is er. The first picture is girl. The girl having is IR sound, girl. The second picture is mixer and the mixer having ER sound. The third picture is curly having UR sound. The fourth picture is purse and the purse having UR sound. The fifth picture is bird and the bird having IR sound. The fifth picture is diver and the diver having ER sound. The next picture is winter and the sound is ER. The eighth picture is skirt and skirt having IR sound. The ninth picture is nurse and the nurse having UR sound. So prep class, take out your Jollyphonics 7 and open your page number 20. अपनी Jollyphonics 7 की बुक्स ओपन करें और पेज नंबर 20 ओपन करें. आई होप प्रेप क्लास के आज का टॉपिक आपको समझ आया होगा. इंशाल्लाह अब फिर मिलेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.